Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, we're gonna do the unboxing of this VGR V658 hair clipper. So, stay tuned, man. Yeah. So, as you can see, this clipper got 2500 milliamp battery, and there are two colors of this clipper, and I received this color from VGR. Got 3 hours charging time. From the 3 hours of charging, you got 250 minutes operating time. Got again somehow these premium guards, as you can see, charging cable, oil, and little brush. And again, there is a logo on the blade. Yeah, so let's open it up. So this is the charging cable, and we got a little brush, and here we got it. Wait a little bit. Here we got the 4 guide combs. So this time around it's not written VGR, which is good also. See that? And we got a manual. So this is the clipper. As you can see, looks really good. The color, somehow looks like an old clipper. Charging port, and you got a hook, in case if you want to hang it. Power button, the on and off switch, and you got a turbo button, and I guess it's written turbo. Yeah, okay. This is the lever. The range. See that? And yeah, it's written VGR on the blade. And you got a fade blade. See that? And the back, what's written. And of course, made in China. When I say made in China, it doesn't mean it's not a good clipper. Most of the top clippers, they are made in China, So this is VGR. See that? So let's make some sound check. This is smooth. You hear that? And this is the turbo button. See that? So let's make some RPM test. So that's it for the unboxing. Now let's go to the barber shop and test this bad boy out. But for me personally, this is a good clipper. Okay, so
Das schaut sehr gut aus. Schaut wie gut die schon. Wow!